Но я не хочу упустить этот шанс. Мы приехали сюда, приперли час с чем-то, я не хочу упустить шанс.
Чтобы въехать в дерево. Remember about the whiskey throttle, buddy. Hey, that's my truck! Try number 2. First time he almost got my truck. At least we got a helmet on. Ah!
Oh, you went a little bit.
Good thing my truck is...
Is that first? Yeah.
Try number 3.
No, don't be afraid.
Oh, okay. He's got the foot thing figured out. Try number 4.
You gotta give him more gas.
It's getting worse and worse.
Huh? Give him more gas.
You're getting worse and worse.
Don't be afraid how loud it is. Give him more
You did
gas.
so good the first time. You're getting worse and worse.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Well, I just tried it again. I rode for a little bit from the container over there to here, I don't know, 50 yards, 20 yards, and I successfully got stuck again. Try number 5. You're getting worse and worse. Oh no, he moved. First one, but at least it's running.
Oh, he didn't stall it.
At least it's running. Oh, now you did. That was less than 10 feet. At least he's holding on to the clutch. That's my boy. He's holding on to the clutch. That's my boy. Okay, that was less than before.
Моя цель взять и проехать вот отсюда туда до машины. И там вот заглохнуть, чтобы можно было опять включить.
How many yards do you think he's gonna go this time? What do you think?
He'll make it to the van.
Do you have insurance on the van?
There you go.
He made it to the van, so that's good. That was his goal. He did the goal.
After a bit of snow biking, we decided to switch gears.
For a long time. This is a dream come true. Yes. Alright, so our next fun thing is to try to tow Stanley behind the truck. Ready?